Hey guys, D-Piddy here, and I have a fan package. That's right guys, if you want to send me fan mail, you could send it to P.O. Box, P.O. Box 412472, Los Angeles, California, 90041. This is gonna be the first of many. It's gonna be the first of maybe. Okay. This is gonna be the first of maybe many fan mail unboxings. This package is from someone named Jolene, aka Jo-Applesauce, which I totally know who that is because for those who've seen my Deadpool versus Anime California video, she was the one who made the Deadpool Penis. We call that the Dickcoon plushie. It's right here. We also featured it in my vlog when I visited Lucky in Utah.
She got me a Dickcoon.
When I walked by her booth at Anime California, I was astonished of this beautiful plushie, and yeah, she was very kind enough. She was like very ecstatic that I really liked it. So she was like, "Do you want it?" And I was like, yeah. You know, and I asked her if like, would she ever want to make like a Spider-Man and Deadpool penis plushie? And she was like, oh, totally, yeah, I'll make one, I'll send it to you. And so since she was sending me those two, I decided to give the Dicku to my toga. It's over with her now. So yeah, now I get to open this. I already know what's in here because obviously I made the request, and my battery's gonna die. Okay. 1 second, let me replace my battery. I don't know if this is the same angle, but whatever. Okay, let's continue. I have a knife. Let's open this package. Okay. Wait, I don't need this knife. I can just tear this open. Okay, so, wow. This is like, these look cute. Okay, first thing, here are the plushies, but I got a letter. Oh, how sweet. It says thank you on the bottom here. Let's open this up and let's read it out loud. Ooh, okay. Ah! It's a bunch of stickers. Oh my god, this is amazing. Hey D-Piddy, enjoy the Deadpool and Spider-Man Peepee pillows. Added a few stickers too, Joe. Oh, that's so sweet. Then it follows up with her website, her social media, and her Gmail. So I'm gonna put all of her socials right here on the bottom. In case you like any of this stuff, you can always hit her up. If you want, you could even order something. Before we go to the plushies, let's go over some of the stickers. Wow, I got a whole bunch. So this is her logo sticker. It says Jo-Applesauce on here. That's pretty cool. We have a couple of Deadpool penis stickers. So that's the Deadpool penis, and then we have a Spider-Man penis right here. He's eating a pizza because, you know, penis is like pizza. And we have the Dickcoon, the Deku Peepee. That's cool. I love how it's like super veiny, you know, like he's gonna use his like special abilities. We also have like a bunch of Demon Slayer stickers. We have a cute Nezuko sticker right here. That's adorable. We have a running Nezuko. We got a whole bunch of yeah, we got a whole bunch of other stickers from Demon Slayer. I think she likes Demon Slayer. I like Demon Slayer. I've only seen like half of the first episode, but it seems pretty cool. The character design, I like the character design. I like the pig guy. Whatever the pig guy's name is, you're cool. Alright, so now for the main bulk of this package. Again, thank you so much. I didn't expect the stickers, Jo-Applesauce, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. The penis plushies. First, we have the Deadpool penis. As you can see here, this penis has feet. It has the Deadpool mask. It has some swords, some katanas, and if you can look closely, the penis is kind of like, I don't know if it has some type of disease or like I don't know what. It's all bumpy, so which, you know, represents Deadpool's hideous face and skin. So that's pretty accurate to the character. Kind of disturbing. But hey, you know, it's Deadpool. Deadpool's disturbing. So that's cute. And then we have the adorable Spider-Man Peepee plushie. Once again, he has feet. And you can see the mask rolled up, so you can see just the tip. Alright, so here's a closer look at these guys. Jelaine, aka Jo-Applesauce, started her store 3 years ago. She mainly sells car stickers and decals and stuff, but she also sells prints, apparel, enamel pins, pillows, charms, and a bunch of other little cute accessories. The pillows themselves, she buys the fabric from Joann's, and she gets the design printed through a manufacturer, and then she sews everything herself and then stuff these little penises on her own. She ended up calling these guys her Peepee pals, which I think is pretty funny. So she does this stuff on the side. She's actually a health educator, and she does biometric screenings for different companies in SoCal. So yeah, for those who are wondering, she is from the SoCal area. So if you want to find her at your local Southern California convention, be sure to look for her at your local artist alley. I'm gonna have these two penis plushies lay down next to me in bed when I sleep. Oh, look, it's cute. They're like, have you guys seen enough yaoi to know, you know, like the peepees are touching. See? Anyways, Jo-Applesauce, thank you so much. Once again, if you like these penis Peepee plushies, or you like the stickers, or you want to order something, if you want to maybe make like a custom request on like a character that you like, and you want to turn them into a penis, then you can hit her up. You can email her down below or message her via social media. You know, if you want like a, I don't know, a Batman Peepee plushie, or if you want to turn Superman into a penis, or like Goku, you might want to turn Goku into a Super Saiyan long dong, like, you know, hit her up. It's 2019, it's almost 2020, maybe you want to make a Sailor Moon penis, or who knows, a Piccolo penis? You know, go nuts. Email her and see if she could transform your favorite character into a cute penis. I think that's it for the video. Once again, thank you so much, Jo-Applesauce. Okay, wait, I am posing for the thumbnail. Here you go. Posing for the thumbnail. Okay, bye.